Wow, they're pulling through the box.
I heard that when the stern was running down.
Oh my god.
When the stern
Yep,
was running
yep.
down, I was listening to them.
Wow, yeah. It's not as loud as I thought.
No, not really.
Loud enough for me to hear them when they were running down.
Sound like they're all working, because when it's sporadic, it means they're all working.
Well, then how come we didn't get tones? I guess Perry activates.
I had a feeling they would come through the boxes. Should have trusted my instinct.
They all do, but the old ones are louder, if I remember. You know
they're
something,
coming
though?
from over here.
When I rode my bike up to Orville's Thunderbolt one time,
From
I
that
was
thing?
across the parking lot and I could hear it.
It's done. Alright, well. Oh, no, they're not. Where's that coming? It's in the box.
Here, it's in here. It's in the
I
battery
know.
box.
That's the FC two-way.
Thought it was.
Can you hear it? If you
Yeah.
listen to the vents, you'll hear it.
It's not.
That's pulling.
There's not.
My mom's wondering what the hell we're doing here.
Yeah. If these things here would shut up,
Well, they're always running.
that means that FSK sounds funny.
I say this is one of the only few systems in Northeast Ohio that works. If they're all.
No, they all work.
No, I'm talking about.
If it sends tones and you don't hear them.
Well, I'm saying.
After,
System-wise.
I knew they did FSK.
You said DTMF, stupid. That's the
I just
face
had
of
a
a
feeling.
Shut up. Mossy Quito. Throw it at Kirk. Just a little BTS. Wasn't expecting this, but I mean, it's pretty cool. It's Siren number 11. Which is pretty cool.
there's so many.
They have to pull all 76.
Yeah,
There's 76
they're
sirens
about
in
almost done though, because every time FSK comes through, that's for each individual
There's
siren.
76 sirens in the system, right?
I think they did this about
Yeah,
60
they
times.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's cool. Yeah, this is taking longer than I expected. This might go on
My
for a
mom's
few
waiting.
minutes.
What?
Well,
It was going on when the stern was winding down. I could hear it when the stern was winding down.
go tell
right.
that Robin that we'll be
Hey,
a
I'm
minute.
going to Dairy Queen.
Are you gonna go to Parmley? Oh, that was this one pulling. Did you hear it?
How do you know?
It clicked.
Hey, how do you know?
Cause it clicked. They have 9 more.
Activates again.
They have 9 more to go, or 8.
Hello?
I take it that's the end.